Have you ever thought what would happen if your set showed you pictures of the road outside your home? You would see some of the passing vehicles clearly enough. A post office van, or a service vehicle, or a railway lorry, or the car of some thoughtful private motorist, for interference suppressors have been fitted to all their engines. But you wouldn't be able to see this car properly, because it spoils your picture as it passes, and not only your picture. As this man drives along, he leaves a trail of interference, at least as bad as this, on all the television screens on his route. Yet a few minutes at a garage or a radio dealer's will stop this nuisance for good.
Morning, sir. Can I help you?
I want a suppressor for my car.
What type of distributor has your car got, sir?
Not sure.
Well, if it's this type, you need this suppressor. You just fit it into the distributor head like this, and you fit the end of the main high-tension lead in like that.
I don't think my distributor's like that one. It's like the other one.
Oh, well, in that case, you want this other sort of suppressor. That fits into the high-tension lead itself. I'll have it fixed for you if you'd like to wait a moment. Won't take very long.
Thank you. It's just outside.
Mr. Lloyd, could you bring through a cut lead suppressor, please, and fit it to a customer's car? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. The electrician will be coming through that way.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good day.
Good day.
One of these suppressors should be fitted to the main ignition lead as near to the distributor as possible. And if you're in any doubt, an attendant will fit it for you. On some engines, suppressors have to be fitted to the plug leads. But for most cars, a simple suppressor like this one, or the screw-in type, will do the job. It can be done from about 2 or 3 shillings, and it's permanent. If every motorist did this, literally millions of television viewers would get better reception. Suppressors lengthen the life of the plugs without detracting from the engine performance, and even help starting in very cold weather. All new cars are now fitted with suppressors at the factory, for ignition suppression is highly important in a country widely served by television. But what about your car? Does it mark your thoughtless progress across the screens of your neighbor's sets?